Welcome to part 2 of our dental benefit series. In this short video, we'll introduce you to the flexible benefits card and explain how and when to use it for dental services and supplies. Your Flex card is a simple way to get more from your benefits. It's a debit card that comes preloaded with your full annual allowance for non-Medicare covered dental, vision, and hearing, and even medical copays, if that applies to your plan. Some plans also include a separate quarterly allowance on the same card for over-the-counter OTC items. HMO and PPO plan members with a Flex card can use it at the dentist of their choice for routine, preventive, and comprehensive dental services, including cleanings, x-rays, fillings, crowns, dentures, implants, and more. HMO plan members use your Flex card allowance in addition to your built-in preventive dental benefits that you'll receive from a Liberty dentist. If your Flex card includes an OTC allowance, you can use it to buy dental care products online or in store, including mouthwash, denture care items, and more. The OTC allowance is separate from your annual Flex card allowance, and it expires at the end of each quarter. Sign in to everythingessence.com to access the Flex card portal, where you can access the Essence OTC store and find eligible retail locations. You can also use the Flex card portal to check your balance, report your card lost or stolen, or request a new card. Want to manage your card on the go? Try the Essence Flex Spend app. Also, if OTC is available in your plan, you can use the app to scan OTC items for eligibility. Visit everythingessence.com for more details and important download instructions. Your Flex card doesn't need activation, and you only need a pen for Costco purchases. The card must be used for eligible purchases and services. It's not a credit card. It can't be converted to cash or used for premiums. Thanks for watching part 2 of our dental benefit series. Next, we'll explain your dental provider options and help you prepare for your visit. Continue to part 3 whenever you're ready. Let's Medicare together.